Hi everyone, this is Rob. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get Microsoft Word for totally, completely free at no extra cost. First thing you need to do is get to a browser and surf to office.com. Here you can find a big button where it says sign in. You want to push that. Then you get this screen. If you do not have an account, you can create it. If you do have a Hotmail account or MSN or Outlook account, you can log in or sign in. I have an account, so that's what I'm going to do. After you log in, you get to this screen. This is basically the Office 365 screen. And here you see the applications that you have. For today's video, we are going to focus on Word. You can press the button and then you end up in Word, Word Online. You have a couple of options. You have a new blank document. That's basically an empty document. You have templates. And you can get more templates. These templates are basically on all sorts of subjects like different kinds of resumes, cover letters, you name it. And if you need more templates, you can even get more templates. And these are the free ones. You can also get the paid versions, but the paid versions, well, you have to pay for, so they're not free. You can also open a document from your desktop. You basically upload it and it opens up in Microsoft Word Online. And then you can edit it. The documents are stored in your OneDrive. You have 5 gigabytes of free space in your OneDrive. And all the documents you make in Microsoft Word Online are being stored there. Documents that you upload, documents that you make. Documents that you make in Microsoft Word Online, you can not only store in OneDrive, but you can download them too. But let's just jump into let's open this one. This one I made earlier. You can see it's OneDrive and then the document. It's a test document, and what you see is test. I can add a couple of letters. And what you see is in the menu bar, all the basic functions of Microsoft Word. You can insert things, pictures, add-ins, headers. Let's put an emoji in. I like this one. You can, let's make it bigger. Bigger is always better. Oh, that's already bigger. You can change the layout, the reference, reviews, all those nice things. When you're done editing, it's already stored in your OneDrive account. You can also print it, share it, and we're going to get into sharing documents online in a different video. You can print it and you can save it. You can save a copy online. That's what you're doing. You can rename it. Well, if you want to have a different name. Download a copy of the document. You can download it as a PDF or you can download it as an ODT. So you can easily share it with other word processors. What more can I tell you? So that's basically what I can tell you about Word Online. Still 100%. Word Online has all the features that you need or might need to write a letter. All the bits and things in Microsoft Word I'm going to explain in different videos, in training videos. If you like my videos or you want to learn more about what you can do with Microsoft Word Online, please like, subscribe and share my videos. And please let me know what you want to learn about Microsoft Word Online. What would you like to learn? That's what we are here for. So let's get started on the other video, on the next video about Microsoft Word Online. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Bye bye.